Meet the next generation of fire with the Camp Stove 2, a portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Now with updated thermoelectrics, the Camp Stove 2 provides 50% more power than the Camp Stove 1 and incorporates an onboard battery so you can store your electricity for whenever you need it. The updated LED interface provides real-time feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen that you can bring anywhere. And anytime you go off-grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the Camp Stove 2, part of the BioLite energy ecosystem.
Always have the tools you need when you carry the Scoured Emergency Campers Multi-Tool. Individual tools include an axe, hammer, saw, knife, blades, Phillip and flathead screwdrivers, file, pliers, wire cutter, cannon bottle opener, and wrench. This assortment of tools can't be beat and offers peace of mind that you will always be prepared. Whether camping, backpacking, or working in the backyard, the Scoured Emergency Campers Multi-Tool will get every job done.